Hey, welcome to Oat Dry Academy, the blow dry boot camp, detangling. So detangling is really important because it's going to be either comfortable or not so comfortable for the guest. Step 1, apply a detangling product, then gently divide the hair. If you can see your bristles through the subsection, then it's the right size. So test out the depth of the subsection before you begin. Brace the hair near the scalp and then go from ends to roots. The reason why you want to go from ends to roots, which I'm showing you what not to do there, the reason why you want to go from ends to roots is because if you go the other way, it's going to compact the tangles at the scalp and make it really uncomfortable. So here's what not to do. Don't go from the roots to the ends. As you can see, it's a little dramatized, but it's pulling her head because of the tension that I'm using. So make sure it's really comfortable for the guest and not causing breakage. Then you repeat the steps 1 through 4. Apply detangler, subsection the hair, test the depth of the subsection you're working on, brush from ends to roots, not roots to ends, repeat 1 through 4, and then when you're finished you can check the scalp area for any tangles. It should be very smooth and ready to go.